Now, what I'm looking at here, okay, very early, was that the 599.5 area had already been established as a support area pre-market. So when that area was broken again, come market open, it made it a whole lot easier for me to go ahead and get in that trade. The only thing that I do regret was not pulling up my 1 minute chart a lot faster. The bracket order that I used, I saw that I might have been asking for a little too much. Not a problem. I might have been asking for a little too much. So I then went ahead and adjusted what I was asking for to make it appropriate for what the market was showing me. As we get close to my next level, which is a daily support level of the 598.9 area, you will then now see me switch to the 1 minute chart so I can then go ahead and get a great exit. Took it off the Heikin-Ashi, took it to the candles. And once I did that, I could then see the two tails that previous 1 minute candles created. We know that tails from the bottom of candle bodies represent rejection of lower prices by bulls. And in fact, they were buying up those lower prices. Once I immediately saw that, I got out and protected my profit. Here we are again with another beautiful trade that took place close to 1 o'clock, where I was looking for another break of demand, potentially to see if that would happen. We did get it there with my alarm that went off. Now my alarm is going off. What am I going to do? I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for that confirmation. Once I get that confirmation on the 1 minute chart, smack dab, and I'm in it. Then for the rest of the team and those of you who watch later, I'll go ahead and put an arrow to show you exactly where I got in this trade. All of this is taking place live on YouTube on the Some Real Change channel. Now, I am going to speed it up just a little bit for time's sake here. Now, what makes this area so peculiar is that this is also what I had written out pre-market. I had let everybody know where I wanted to get in and exactly where my first profit-taking area would be, the 598.2. I then went and let everybody know where my second profit-taking area would be at the 597.7. And even though it did pull back on me just a little bit, I was very confident in the move. Very confident in the move, knowing that the move against me could possibly bring in some more bulls that could be liquidated to my advantage. So I was actually happy to see the market go against me slightly here. If we look on the top left, the 1 minute chart, it went slightly against me, but came right back. The next thing you know, well, let's go ahead and speed it up and take a look. Wow, look at that. Boom, hit that alarm. That was that first profit-taking area. You gotta love it. I sure did. Now, looking for that second profit-taking area of the 597.7 area. It also happens to be an area of daily support where this green line is. Now, that was where my second profit-taking area is going to be. Let's see if the market comes down there. Well, look at it. What is it doing? My goodness. Came right to it. Now, right at the 598, which is a whole number, I decided to put some money in my pocket. Yes, I have a longer range, a wider view, but I'm not going to ignore the fact that the market wants to pay me right now. And if the market wants to pay me, well, I'm going to take those profits. So the market did just that. And when it's right at this area that I went ahead and put an arrow to indicate that I was getting out and putting a little money in my profits. Whoa, who could that be calling on the phone? Sounds like more money. Look up at the chart. We hit my line. What do? I act responsible. I take the profits. Blah! That's exactly what you heard. Was me taking those profits. Here is a snapshot of such trade. A beautiful snapshot of such trade. Grateful that I did it. Grateful that it took place. This was called out live every step of the way. And we invite you to join us as we do this every day on YouTube starting at 9:25. Bye for now.